In today's video, I'm going to teach you OBS Studio Tutorial for Beginners 2026. First, head over to the official OBS Studio website and download the version that matches your operating system, whether that's Windows, macOS, or Linux. OBS Studio is free and open source, and it's one of the most popular tools for screen recording, live streaming, and general content creation. Once the download is complete, open the installer, follow the setup wizard, finish the installation, and then launch OBS Studio. The first time you open it, you'll likely see the auto configuration wizard. This is a helpful starting point because OBS can suggest settings based on your computer's hardware. Choose whether you want to use OBS mainly for streaming, recording, or virtual camera use, and let it apply the recommended settings. Before recording anything, take a moment to understand the main interface. The Scenes panel is where you create different recording layouts. Sources are the individual elements inside a scene, like your screen, webcam, or microphone. The audio mixer lets you monitor and control sound levels. Scene transitions help you switch smoothly between scenes, and the controls panel is where you start recording, start streaming, and open settings. Now create your first scene by clicking the plus icon in the Scenes panel, giving the scene a name and confirming it. This could be something like screen recording, gaming, webcam only, or tutorial recording depending on your project. Next, add a screen capture source. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon, choose Display Capture, select the monitor you want to record, and confirm. You should now see your desktop in the preview window. If you want to include your camera, click the plus icon under Sources again, choose Video Capture Device, select your webcam, and then resize and position it in the preview so it fits your layout. For audio, OBS often detects devices automatically, but you can also add a microphone manually. In Sources, click the plus icon, choose Audio Input Capture, and select your microphone. Watch the audio mixer to make sure sound is coming through. Ideally, your levels should stay in the green, occasionally touch yellow, and avoid red, since red usually means the audio is too loud and may distort. After that, open Settings, then Output, then Recording. Choose your recording path, your format, with MP4 being a common choice, along with your video quality and encoder. Then go to Settings, then Video, and set your base resolution, output resolution, and frame rate. A common setup is 1920 by 1080 at 30 FPS for tutorials or 60 FPS for gaming. When everything looks good, click Start Recording and begin your tutorial, presentation, or gameplay. When you're done, click Stop Recording. OBS will automatically save the file to the folder you selected earlier. If you need to locate it quickly, go to File, and then Show Recordings. If you want to live stream, open Settings, go to Stream, choose your platform, enter your stream key, and click Start Streaming. You can also use the Scene Transitions panel to apply effects like fade, cut, or swipe, and adjust the transition duration for smoother switching. Finally, to keep everything organized, go to Profile, create a new profile, and save different setups for different types of projects.